Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start chapter Congruency of Geometry portion. So today we are going to start congruency. So firstly we will discuss what is congruency and what is similarity. There are two topics, congruency and similarity. So firstly, what are congruent figures? Congruent figures are those figures which have same size and same shape. The figures which have same size and same shape are called congruent figures. For example, this is a square and this is again a square. Its side is 2 centimeter, its side is also 2 centimeter. These two squares are same in shape and same in size. This means these are congruent figures. These are congruent figures. If I place this square over this square, this will coincide on the square. This means these are congruent figures. Similar figures. Now what is similarity? Similarity means the figures which have same shape. It can have different size, but the shape is same. For example, this is a triangle. This is a triangle and this is also a triangle. These two are, for example, these two are equilateral triangles and these are similar because they have same shape, but size is different. If size is different, shape is same, then they are similar figures, but same shape and same size. The figures having same shape and same size are congruent figures. So firstly, these are congruent and congruency and similarity. So next is congruency of line segments. When two line segments are congruent. When two line segments are congruent. If two line segments are of same length, for example 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter, then these are congruent. Next is congruency of two angles. When two angles are congruent if they are of same angle. For example, this is of 60 degree, this is again of 60 degree, then these two angles are congruent. Next is congruency of square. Congruency of square means if two squares have same side, have side of same length, for example 3 centimeter, and the side of this square is also 3 centimeter, then these are congruent squares. Next is congruency of two circles. This is circle and this is circle. Its radius is 2 centimeter. Its radius is 2 centimeter. If radius of the two circles are same, then these are congruent circles. If radius of two circles are different, its radius is 3 centimeter and its radius is 1 centimeter. These are same in shape but different in size, then these are similar circles. These are not congruent, these are similar circles. Next is congruency of rectangles. Congruency of rectangles. Two rectangles are congruent if they have same shape and same size, means they have same length and breadth. For example, length is of 5 centimeter and breadth is of 3 centimeter. Again, the length of this rectangle is 5 and breadth is 3. Then these two rectangles are congruent. Next we are going to start exercise 6th A. So, in 6th A exercise, see exercise 6A. So, first question is identify the true statements. First is all triangles are similar. All triangles are similar. Its answer is false because two triangles, all triangles are not similar, because if, for example, if one triangle is equilateral triangle, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and there is one right angled triangle. These two triangles, these are not similar because their shape is not same. The shape of all triangles are not same, so that's why all triangles are not similar. Second is all circles are similar. All circles are similar because all circles have same shape. Next is all squares are similar. All squares are also similar because they have same shape. All equilateral triangles are similar. All equilateral triangles are also similar because shape of all equilateral triangles are same. Next is fifth. All rectangles are similar. All rectangles are similar. No, all rectangles are not similar because this is a rectangle in this shape and this is a rectangle in this shape. These both are rectangles but they don't have same shape. So that's why all rectangles are not similar. Next is two circles each of radius 5 centimeter are congruent. All circles of same radius are congruent. Next is two circles each of one of radius 3.5 and another of diameter 7 centimeter are congruent. Yes, it is true because two circles, if radius of one circle is 3.5, then its diameter will be 2 into radius. Diameter is double of radius, that is 2 into 3.5, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Means diameter of both the circles are same. So this means two circles are congruent. Next is all congruent figures are similar. Yes, all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not congruent. Next is all similar shapes are congruent. No, all similar shapes are not congruent because similar shapes have different size. So these are similar but not congruent. Next is two squares each of side 7 centimeter are congruent. Yes, the squares having same side are congruent. Next three parts you will try yourself. Next, second, fill in the blanks. Two figures are said to be dash if they have same size and same shape. Two figures having same size and same shape are congruent. Means its answer is congruent. Next is two figures are dash if they have same shape. Two figures are similar if they have same shape. Next is all squares of equal area are. If all squares having equal area, then these are congruent. Next is two dash triangles are similar. Two equilateral triangles are similar. Two isosceles, two right angled, and any two other triangles are not similar. Just two equilateral triangles are similar. Next is third question, match the congruent figures. Now you can see match the congruent figures. Means you have to see the figures from these which are congruent. So in this you can see from book A and G. A and G figures are congruent. So A and G figures are congruent. You will represent two congruent figures like this. Third question, A is congruent to G. This arrow means these two figures are congruent. The meaning of this arrow is congruent. So means A and G are congruent. Next is another one, you can see which one are congruent. O and R. O and R, these two are of same size and same shape. So these two are also congruent. Next, D and I are also congruent. They have same shape and same size. These two are circles. Next, there are two stars in your book, E and J. E and J are, these are two stars. So these are also congruent. Next is C and H. C and H, they have same shape and same size. Next is M and P. M and P, these are of same shape and same size. So your homework is, with this our exercise 6th A is complete. Next, yes, tomorrow we will discuss how to prove that two triangles are congruent. So this we will do tomorrow. So today your homework is to complete this exercise. Thank you.